Good morning, students. Today we are going to do the chapter packing. As you can see, a briefcase is shown in the picture, and packing the way is done. You can see, and it shows that this is the story which is full of humor. Packing by Jerome K. Jerome. This is an extract from Jerome K. Jerome's novel Three Men in a Boat. As you can see, his pic also. Three Men in a Boat. This is a humorous extract about the confusion and mess created by people who are inexperienced in the art of packing. It exposes the utter clumsiness of the three friends. Those are Jerome and George and Harris. So here about the writer Jerome K. Jerome. The full name is Jerome Klapka Jerome. Was an English writer and humorous one, and he is best known for the comic travelogue Three Men in a Boat. It is a novel, and this chapter is taken from this novel Three Men in a Boat. There are three friends in it, and these three friends already I have told you the name: Jerome, George, and Harris. They consider themselves to be skilled in the art of packing, but in reality, all of them have little knowledge about working in an organized manner. So, let us see. As you can see in the picture, three men in a boat. There is a boat, and these are three friends. And packing is based on the theme that routine tasks are not as easy as they seem to be. The humorous account amuses the readers with the chaotic and confusing situations created by the clumsiness of these three friends. These three friends, how stupidly they have packed the things and how they have created the confusing situations, and all the three think themselves that they are very expert in packing. They consider packing to be child's play. They think that packing is nothing special, it is just a minor job and we can do it easily. The chapter humorously describes the do's and don'ts of packing. While we are packing, what we should do and what we should not do, that is what is described, but in a very light manner, humorous manner. Packing should be treated as frivolous activity, but as a serious task. It involves concentration and deftness. When we are packing, we should concentrate, we should see the way what we are doing, how we have to pack. The story gives us a clear message that we must have proper knowledge of packing. In the absence of knowledge, we are bound to face the problems. So we should have knowledge how to pack the things. As you can see in the picture, the three men in the story, Jerome K. Jerome, his packing skills, he was supposed to go on with his friends George and Harris. So he told them to leave the whole matter of packing to himself. He said, I shall do the packing. They readily agreed, and George sat on the easy chair, and Harris cocked his legs on the table, and Jerome do the packing. But this isn't what Jerome wanted. Jerome does not wish that the other they should sit very silently and in a joyful manner. Rather, he wanted that he would supervise the things, and those two must do the work. But actually, these two, as you can see in the pic, one is lying on the sofa, other on the other side, and Jerome's duty was to do the packing. When he said that he wanted to do all the packing himself, he meant that he was willing to be in charge of everything and direct his friend to work efficiently under his supervision. He was really, you know, uh, pissed at them, and he just sitting about watching those two friends. They were sitting and they were watching, doing packing while packing was being done by Jerome. It was uncomfortable for Jerome to just sit idle and see another person work alone. His energetic nature made him want to get up and superintend. He wanted to superintend the things, but actually the the things happened in an opposite manners, and he was feeling teased. So we shall continue with the rest of the matter, what happened, how humorously the packing was done, that we shall see. Thank you and have a nice day. Rest of the part we shall do in the